Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row. It's Andrew here, and it's wet, it's raining, you can hear it outside, and we're taking shelter in the greenhouse. And it's time, for us at least, to start potting on our little lupins that we grew from seed. Look at that. Now, I've seen these going from anything from $9.99 to $11.99, so let's do around 10 quid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have £170 here, folks, from a packet of seeds. So they're well worth growing. And look at the germination. So I'm going to show you what to do next, okay? What to put them on into, what compost we're using, and I'll give you an idea, okay? Just listening to the bird song. So, here's my compost mixed, and it's a third of shop bought, it's a third of coir, and it's a third of my own garden compost. And I'll just show you, I'll bring it to the camera. There you can see. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And the reason I do a little mix like this, because I find it easier. The coir opens up the soil, opens up the compost, and it's so easy to use. And all I do is I'm going to fill a 6 seed tray like so. And so it's like that. And I do load my compost tray up, and it doesn't matter. I can work around it. And there you go. You can tell it's my compost. There you have a little stone in it. So, what do I need to do now? Well, there's my little tray there. I need to start pricking these out. Now, I'm going to bring this a little closer to the camera so you can see it, okay? All you do is hold it by a true leaf. You never hold a plant by the stem, because if you break a true leaf, it doesn't matter because they'll send out a new one. So all you need to do is, let's take this one right back here. I'm going to take my pencil, which is my dibber, and I'm going to go in like so, and I'm going to gently tease around the roots like so, teasing it out. You can see I'm going to go around it all. There you are. There, ladies and gentlemen, is my lupin. And now all I need to do is do this. I transfer it over to here, I make a hole right to the bottom of the tray, and I gently tease it in, and I plant it to a sensible depth, which is, if you can see here, just on there's a little bit of pink there, and then there's the white root, and that's where I want to do. I want to get the white root gone, and there you go, in the tray like so. And I'm going to repeat that now until the tray is full. I just wanted to quickly show you what healthy roots look like. So look at this, it's a small plant. Look at those healthy roots, all from seed. Isn't seed fantastic? I've brought you a little closer. There you go, another root system, just to show you, again, how to make the hole. So there's my pencil. It can be anything you want, doesn't have to be anything expensive. And there you are, I've made my hole. Can you see how big it is? And then I'm going to try to show you on the camera. Can you see the roots there? I'm going to gently push them in like so. Plants are a lot tougher than you think they are. If you accidentally break a root, it's not the end of the world. Hopefully they'll recover. And there you are, just fermenting it in. And there's my plant, it's in. Just make sure as you go around, you gently ferment your plant so you make sure that the compost is touching the roots. That's it. So here we have one tray finished, potted on. Going to give these good water. So as I said, I have £180 worth plus an itty bitty one that I didn't notice in the corner, so it's £190 worth. And if it was £12.99, you figure it out. So nobody ever said I was good at maths. I'm good at growing. So what you need to do now is give them water, label them, keep them in the greenhouse, let them grow up into sturdy little plants, and in summer, early summer, because we're just getting there now, plant them out. And for those people who say they get decimated by slugs and snails, sorry, I nothing I can do about that. Pond, frogs, toads, get them in your garden. Right plant, right place. I could never grow lupins before I came here. So maybe slugs don't like being up on an exposed hillside, but lupins do. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew, at Life in Pig Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps us. And until next Saturday, it's goodbye from me. Bye-bye.